Hey there, it's Julia, and I'm here to tell you about a great workshop that's coming up really soon, and I wanted to share it with you. It's called The Captured Moment, and it's at Crooked Tree Art Center in Petoskey. The Captured Moment is going to be a watercolor workshop where you literally capture a special moment on film of a special someone in your life or even a complete stranger that you happen to snap a photograph of. Or it could be like your granddaughter dancing the ballet. It could be a child playing on the beach. I've got one of those to show you, something like that. Um, or it could be the back of somebody. It doesn't have to be a full frontal portrait at all. It could be a side view, a back view. All it is a captured moment on film of somebody special or whatever doing something that they either love. Maybe they're at work. Maybe they're reading their favorite book in their favorite chair. Maybe it's a chef in the kitchen over the stove or mixing something up in the mixing bowl. It could be anything that's special to you, but it's that captured moment in time that you can memorialize in a very spectacular way for yourself or for somebody else. It's very much like Edgar Degas, the Impressionist artist, famous pastelist, who painted many, many captured moments. In particular, he painted the ballerinas. And I know that some of you have seen the pastel painting that he did of the ballerina bending down. She's sitting on a bench and she's bending down and she's tying up her ballet slipper. Well, it's as if you opened the door to that room, and the minute that you look in, you see her there bending down, and voila, you have that instant captured moment. So that's basically what I describe as the captured moment. So this is a great class. And like I said, you do not have to fret about painting the likeness of somebody. You can choose to do something that's the profile of them, or even the back of them, or if you want to, the profile. It's all up to what you're best comfortable at, or what you're most comfortable at. And I want you to enjoy the class, so I'm not going to force you or have you do something, an image that you're not comfortable with. So it runs August 3rd, that's a Thursday, and August 4th, it's a two-day workshop. It goes from 9:30 to 4:30. There is a lunch break, and there are other breaks, when you need them. And I'm really excited about this. You're going to learn lots of great things, some great watercolor techniques, and I'm going to be teaching you a lot about all the various colors that you can use to get those luscious skin tones. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you'll join me. There are a few spots left, so don't wait too long. Registration ends, I believe, the 1st of August. So like I said, don't wait too long. You don't want to miss your spot. But I have taught this class before. I love this class. It's basically how I paint figurative paintings. Like if you've ever been to my website and you've seen my figurative work, it's basically all captured moments. So I look forward to teaching this again, and I look forward to seeing you there as well. I really hope you'll join me. Go to crookedtreeart.org. Go to Petoskey, click on Petoskey, and then go to the Visual Arts classes, and there you'll find it. So I look forward to seeing you there. It's going to be a great workshop, and you will come home with a wonderful work that you can either keep for yourself or give to someone special. So I look forward to seeing you there. Take care. I'll see you soon.